Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just gonna give a little update on how the channel's going and what my future plans are with the content and all that stuff. So as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of car stuff lately because of the project car that I bought, and I do have some side stuff that I'm trying to do as well as the car. But the car consumed a lot of my time. Now. With all the projects that I have lined up, some of them take time because I am a full-time dad. I am a husband. I do have a full-time job, so this is something that I do on the side, trying to bring some, some knowledge, some mistakes that I make, yes, awareness on how not to do things at times. But if you've been following my content, I try to be as original as possible. Now you'll see some of the materials that I've been using. They are not, I can't say sponsored, but a lot of these companies are now contacting me to review their tools and see how they work. And because I am a DIY guy, I'm not a contractor to basically use heavy duty products. So I'm trying to keep everything at budget for somebody like you guys, if you're just doing DIY stuff around the house, to be able to use the budget stuff as well and show how it works, and if it actually works and you don't need something that's too expensive to use. So going forward, you may see me mention tools that I use because they are sent to me to also review. So if I'm using a tool, I am also reviewing the tool to show you how it works and the functionality and all that stuff. So if you are intrigued by it, if you like it, you can use it, purchase it, or whatnot. It's totally up to you. This is not something that I like to entice you guys to buy the tool that I'm using. If you like the functionality, so be it. Use it, buy it, or whatnot. But it comes with the territory, I guess. So if they're gonna ask me to review a tool, I will review a tool. I will give them my honest opinion on it, if it's good, if it's bad. So you will see an episode soon that I actually kind of overkilled the review part, but made for good content, I guess. But I just want to, tell you guys how things are going with the channel. I wish it would grow as fast as I want it to grow, but it's not growing as fast as I like it to grow. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free. If I could get this channel going further and further and further to, basically help out others who are looking for some guidance to make things or build things or fix things, that is my goal 100%. I want to make sure that somebody who is kind of afraid to use a tool or afraid to take on a project, I hope my contents help them gain that momentum or gain that confidence to actually, try to see if they could, take on a project. Big or small, not the point. The point is building up confidence to actually be able to do something on your own with your own hands. Even if you make a mistake, it's okay, because that's how we learn to do things. I've made many mistakes throughout my lifetime in many projects. My wife has always told me that, hey, you do a lot of stuff half-ass, and she's right. I've done a lot of stuff half-ass because I rush through them. I don't completely take my time to make it look nice or better or whatnot, because I always rush through them. But as time goes by, I have learned to take my time. Don't rush the projects. Don't rush the stuff that I'm doing. I wanted to make sure the projects are completed and they look good at the same time, right? You don't want it to look crappy. So because what happens when they look crappy, when they are not up to your standards, you get discouraged and you don't want to do any other projects anymore. You don't want to touch it anymore. You don't want to take on the responsibility anymore, because now you have zero confidence in yourself by saying, hey, because the other one failed, this one's probably going to fail. I'm just not going to do it. I'm just going to hire somebody to do it for me. Less headache and all that stuff. So I tend to operate on a different mentality. No matter how much I fail, I like to try again and again and again, and fail again and again and again. But eventually I'll get it right. Eventually I will have a product or something that I'm working on that came out the way I like it, and it's nice and neat and clean and professional. So all the professionals who are out there, I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. You know, it takes a lot of practice to get to a level that you guys are in. I'm by no means a professional carpenter. I'm not a professional mechanic. I am not a professional electrician. Everything I've done, I have learned on my own. I am self-taught only because I like to get my hands dirty. Only because it's fun to do things. Ever since I was a child, I used to break things and never know how to put them back together. But nevertheless, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Please leave your comments. Let me know how you are enjoying the contents. What more would you like to see on my end to include in my contents? I know the videos are, sometimes good, sometimes okay, sometimes terrible. I am learning that skill set. That is one skill set that I really lack, is videography. I am not great at it. So I do not have a helping hand to film my content. Everything I do it's me and a tripod and hands. So I do apologize if the contents are not 100% professionally filmed, but I'm doing what I can as best as I can at this point. But I will definitely try to make the contents look better. So with that being said, weekends among us. You guys enjoy your weekend. Have a good time. And leave your comments down below, guys. Let me know what you really think about this. So I like to grow this content. So let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. Let's get it grown. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Peace out.